Hi, my name is Jalissa Vargas, and I'm going to show you the cheer we do in Pine Bush cheerleading. Here it goes. If you're yelling for Big Blue, yell P-B-H. P-B-H. If you want another win, yell P-B-H. P-B-H. If you're proud to be a Bushman, yell P-B-H. P-B-H. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you the dance. Here we go. I'm going to slowly do it, but then, I don't know. Here it goes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you. I hope you like it. Bye.